It's like crazy outside.
Oh my god,
That's the biggest storm. So we thought we were gonna take a ferry to the mainland, and we're obviously not taking a ferry because it's insane out there. We thought we were gonna take a ferry across from the island of Hog.
Wow, look who's talking. Look who's decided to join us.
I stepped out from behind the camera to finally say something. Yeah, so we're stuck on the island of Pog. We basically have to drive an extra 3 hours out of the way to get back onto the mainland, which is something we can handle. The wind outside is unbelievable. I've never felt winds that strong in my life. Holy shit. Alright, bye. Look at those waves.